public school system.
Today we're going to be making pear cakes because pears are our harvest of the month for this October.
And so let's roll up our sleeves, wash our hands, and get ready to make some pear cakes.
So we are going to be mixing the dry ingredients separately from the wet ingredients. So I'm going to go ahead and mix the flours and our spices together. And stir it all up.
In this bowl we have our cracked eggs, and we're going to be adding our sugar, our pear puree, and lastly our vegetable oil. And we're just going to mix that super well.
Slowly we're going to mix the two together. After thoroughly mixing your batter, you can fold in the pear chunks. So we're going to pop this in the oven for 20 to 25 minutes at 325 degrees Fahrenheit.
And here's our final product.
Looks delicious. You know, Vera, this is the perfect recipe to use up your pears this October.
Oh, Sam, that joke was paradise.